Many homeowners think that grass is a simple thing. We just go to the shop, we buy it, we roll it out, we water it, we mow it. Well, there's actually a lot more to it. There is R&D behind making sure that that very grass can hold up to the rigours of the Aussie climate. And that's why I've come here to beautiful Echuca. It's on the New South Wales and Victorian border. And it's here that Lawn Solutions Australia runs a very interesting research and development program. Since 2013, LSA has operated the largest turfgrass research and development program in Australia. This is to ensure people like you and I have access to the best turf for our situation. Breeding and developing new turfgrass varieties is a complex and costly thing. There aren't any real significant breeding programs here in Australia, be that government or private, apart from Lawn Solutions Australia. Now, given the prevalence of lawns and the fact we need to keep on top of new developing practices, that really is quite surprising. Lawn Solutions has taken the initiative to invest heavily in turfgrass development, forging partnerships with leading turfgrass breeding institutions worldwide. As a result, they have both bred locally and imported through Australian quarantine the largest turfgrass gene pool ever assembled in Australia. This ensures access to the best materials to develop grasses suited for Australia's future. But how is it all done? What does R&D actually entail here?
We need to know everything about the grass before we send it to the customer. So we need to know texture, quality, green, what it looks like, what it feels like, and make sure it's going to fit our production sense so we can grow it, harvest it, and send it to the customer at its absolute best.
Can you tell us about some of the successes that you've had?
Certainly, we're standing on zoysia at the moment, and Lawn Solutions Australia have picked a new zoysia grass, that's Zoysia australis, and that's gone to market. So that's a success for us. And within that, there are also failures as well. That's what R&D is. So there are ones we've had to spray out that just haven't suited either climate conditions or the way that we want to grow them.
Now, no matter what turf you have, you will undoubtedly run into a few issues with your lawn over time. So what can we do about it? If your lawn is lacking that green vibrancy, it probably means it needs a feed. Now, there are plenty of fertilisers out there, like this one, that will help give it the nutrients and give it that beautiful feed. Weeds are inevitable, and keeping on top of them is a must before they set seed and return year after year. You can knock them out with an all-purpose weed control to get rid of them. And once gone, keep it that way with the use of a pre-emergent like Oxafert. And lastly, Lawn Solutions Australia develop a range of aftercare products, including one of my favourites, Grub Guard Ultimate. But check out this little beauty too, Colour Guard Plus. Now this one's really good for those winter dormant periods in the cooler climates. Put it on and you're going to get a beautiful greener grass for longer.